So I'm going to go ahead and go into balancing half moon now. Ardha Chandrasana, balancing Ardha Chandrasana, because it is so similar to what we just did. So feeling a little bit like your down leg is your stabilizing leg. You're going to tip the weight towards that left foot in my case. Feel the foundation of the foot. Feel the arch lifting. Feel the toes relaxing. Left knee is slightly bent. And then we're just going to tip forward our torso over that front leg and let your right leg lift up. Look back and make sure you can see your right leg. If your right leg swings behind you, that means you're kind of going more into a spinal extension. You want to keep yourself flat. Again, imagine there's a wall behind you. And incidentally, this pose is excellent to do against a wall, so you can feel your back against the wall. But lifting, looking to make sure your leg is straight there. You can do this without any support, or you can take your hand to a block. You can bend your knee and reach for your ankle. These are all really important variations of this pose. I like to do this pose because it brings more awareness to your the fundamentals of staying in the coronal plane. And obviously half moon is a little bit more challenging than gate pose or even triangle, but the principles are the same. So you're getting that nice side stretch, you're getting strength in the down leg, you're working in the coronal plane. And as far as release valves or contraindications for this, it's obviously going to be difficult if you have foot injuries. But the main release valve I'd like you to think about is the idea of keeping your spine in its neutral curves. So if you find that you're, some people kind of lean forward like this, that's a twist. You want to stay in that neutral plane. So notice, or that coronal plane, notice the spine. If you find that you're doing some kind of wonky thing with the low back or the neck or whatever, that would be your release valve. So always bringing awareness to that, and the gate pose is an excellent precursor to it.